In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GCash as payment method in Roblox. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to complete the checkout smoothly so you can top up Robux using GCash with confidence. First, open Roblox. You can do this on the app or in a browser. Either way works. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to fund and that your internet connection is stable. It also helps to have your GCash account ready with enough balance before you begin. Once Roblox is open, head to the Robux purchase area. Look for the Robux icon or the Robux link in the menu to reach the page where you can buy more. On that page, find the Buy Now option. This is the button that begins the checkout flow for a Robux package. Next, select the specific Robux amount you want. Take a moment to compare the packages, check the displayed price in your local currency, and note any taxes or fees that may apply. Choosing the right bundle now ensures you don't have to backtrack later. When the purchase window appears, select your payment type. From the list of available methods, click GCash. If you don't immediately see it, double-check that your region supports GCash in Roblox and that you're viewing the correct storefront for your location. After selecting GCash, enter your billing information as requested. This may include details like your name, email, and billing address. Type everything carefully, use accurate information, and be sure it matches your region settings to avoid verification errors. Only provide the fields you're asked for and never share sensitive data beyond what the secure form requires. Now, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the payment. You may be redirected to a secure payment page where you review the total and confirm. Keep the app or browser window open, avoid refreshing, and verify the amount one more time before authorizing. If prompted for an authentication code or confirmation in your GCash app, complete that step promptly. When the payment succeeds, you'll see a confirmation message and your Robux balance should update shortly. That's all there is to it. Open Roblox, go to Robux, tap Buy Now, choose your package, pick GCash, enter your billing info, and follow the on-screen prompts. Take your time with each screen and you'll check out without any hiccups.